Welcome to Paybooks. In this video, we will look at how to set permissions for each role. You can assign roles to individuals and teams and give them different sets of permission in the organization. The set permission gives an option to the employer to enable restricted access to the selected screen for selected roles. Every role can be set with privileges to access screens or modules. To set permission for each role, we need to click Transactions on the home page, scroll down to Security Access Rights, click Permission, click Set Permissions under Workflow, select the role type from the drop-down. We have the different roles, which is Employer, HR, Finance, Auditor, or ATT Admin. Select the menu from the main menu drop-down. Once you select the menu, the screens for that menu will be displayed below. You can either select a specific menu or select all. Once you have selected the screens, then click on Save. When the user logs in, they will be able to access only those screens for which the permission is granted. Please note that there is no option to set the screen permission all at a time. Instead, we need to select the main menu individually and provide the access appropriately. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.